Now that we have our agent skill for the Revit API, let's take advantage of the automation service handler project to debug one plugin using Cursor. You can also do that with Visual Studio or VS Code. All you need to do is clone the automation handler project, and then once you build it, it's going to generate the proper DLLs in the correct folder. You also need one template to run your plugin. So I'm going to use this template from a previous blog. And if you open the chat, in this case, I'm using Cursor. I can just ask Cursor to install the skill already available in my specific folder. It is going to create this .cursor folder in my repo and create the add my skill inside the skills folder. Once with that skill available, I can just ask my assistant to take advantage of the skill and add in my plugin code one method based on the Revit API. In my case, I'm just asking to retrieve all the materials from my model. It is going to reason for a bit, and in the end, it's going to come up with this solution. In this case, it is using the element collector and retrieving a list of materials. Don't forget to correctly replace the values for Revit path, addings path, and design automation bridge. All of these instructions are available also in the blog that I'm sharing, that I'll share in the comments. After that, you can restore the project, build it so the bundle is available in the correct folder, and then you can start debugging it. And then for the bug, you can add a breakpoint, open Revit, and load. Keep in mind that you need to load this bundle. And with Revit open, you just start debugging and select the Revit process. After you do that, you can just go to the viewer of your choice, select addings, external tools, and select your new code generated with the help of this skill. And as you can see, we are able to retrieve all the materials as expected. Okay. And that can also be done using Cloud Code instead of one IDE such as Cursor or VS Code. In this case, instead of taking advantage of any UI, let's say you just want to keep one console, one instance of Cloud Code running your plugin while you do another task. So first of all, I'll ask Cloud Code to install my skill and make it available. It is going to reason for a bit, install our skill, and once available, I can just ask this new task to change the color of all the walls in my model. And I'm asking to change the walls color to red. After some time, it will come up with the solution, explain what it's doing. And once compiled, once built, we can see that, after running the plugin, it correctly changes the color of all of our walls. Okay. And the usage, it was running for 9 minutes and it costs $1 using Sonnet model.